Custom Receipts gives you a whole library of blocks. Let's walk through them. Open the block inserter and you'll find them all under Charitable Receipts. Here's a receipt that already uses a dozen. Open the list view to step through each one, and remember, selecting any block opens its settings on the right. Receipt Hero is a bold banner up top with a background image, an overlay, and a dynamic gift line. Reach for it when you want a branded magazine-style opening. Thank you message is a custom heading, message, and icon. Its styles run from simple to a certificate to a medallion, all set in the right panel. Impact tells donors what their gift makes possible, and you can vary the message by donation amount to recognize larger gifts. Donation Summary is a backbone block. The amount, date, receipt number, and payment method. Toggle exactly what shows on the right. Donor Details pulls in the donor's name, email, and billing address. Show or hide each one from the settings panel. Tax Receipt Details adds the tax-deductible amount and the goods and services statement, which many donors need for compliance. Organization Details shows your logo, name, address, and contact information, so the receipt clearly comes from you. Matching Gifts nudges donors to check whether their employer will match their donation. An easy way to double a gift. Donate Again is a simple button that sends donors back to the campaign to give one more time. Share adds social buttons and a referral link so happy donors can spread the word for you. Download PDF Receipt gives donors a one-click PDF of the receipt for their own records. Receipt Statement is the other backbone, your organization, tax ID, and the official donation receipt language. When your blocks are set, save the receipt. Mix and match these blocks to build exactly the receipt you want. Find more charitable tutorials at wpcharitable.com.